Henry, what are you using today here for your line striping?
The Titan Powerliner 850.
Powerliner 850. And what are you able to do with this Powerliner 850? Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, as you can see, we are doing some line striping, and this is my first time I've, honest to God, done 2 lines, and it's the easiest thing ever.
How old are you?
16.
16. Are you able to detach the gun as well to do certain things?
You are.
And what are you able to do?
You can spray curbs or like parking blocks.
Yeah? And what about stencils like handicap signs and no parking spots and stuff?
Yeah, you're able to spray the stencils.
Spray the stencils as well. Fantastic. All right, start it up and show me your third line in your life here, bud. Folks, this is a Powerliner 850 Titan detachable gun. Watch this. Checking the line. Third line in his life. 16-year-old guy just started his asphalt maintenance business. Watch this, folks. Watch this, folks. Woohoo! Look at that. Right up to the curve. Look at that. What do you think, Henry?
Very easy.
Super easy?
Oh yeah.
All right. And everybody, a line like that, you usually charge $5 to $8 just to spray it. Cost on that line was approximately 40 cents. Think about the profit. This 16-year-old boy is going out, making a ton of money doing this stuff. You can't.